How to turn off auto download on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And once you do that, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here you want to click on storage and data. You will land on this page right here, from which you will see a section on the center of the screen that says media auto download, from which you will be able to turn on and turn off and even customize the auto download feature on the WhatsApp app. Now, firstly, as you can see, it tells you that voice messages are always automatically downloaded, meaning that this is a default feature that you cannot turn off or customize. So now, depending on what you need, whether you want to turn off auto download for mobile data or the connected Wi-Fi or when roaming, depending on what situation you want to turn off the auto download for, click on it. Say for example you want to turn off the auto download feature when using mobile data. I will click on it. Once you do that, you will get this pop-up right here, from which you will need to uncheck the stuff that you want to turn off the auto download for when using mobile data. Say for example you can turn all of them off, so you can disable the auto download when using mobile data. And for example, you want to turn off the auto download when you connected to Wi-Fi, you can uncheck some of the things and leave the others on, etc. So you can really customize it as much as you want, and you can even disable it all together in every single scenario. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off the auto download feature on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.